Oi, oi. Smoke, run for your life. So guys, in this video we'll try to find out two things. First, what's inside this battery, and second, what happens when we try to break open it. Now the first layer of the battery is taken out and the battery changes to Relaxx battery. Relaxx. And it was 2800 mAh, now it is 2000 only. The second layer changes to ground battery. If I'm wrong, correct me or forgive me. I don't know how these layers work, but the name keeps changing, so I'm confused. Now it's 2800 mAh again. It's confusing because the name keeps changing, but I don't know. We'll try to see this third layer. I think there's nothing more. We can just see the metal. It looks like it's almost ready for opening or breaking it. So we have this black thing on top. It's connected to something. It's interesting. We'll try to just walk it. We'll try to pierce through this battery and see what happens. Oh, that's one more layer. Oh, that's just plastic. Thick plastic. Okay. Okay. Now, pierce it. Poke. Oi, oi. Oi, smoke. Run for your life. That's funny. Smoke just comes out without any warning. Of course, obviously. Just look at the smoke. So interesting. How? Maybe the science students know it well. I'm a literature guy. The smoke just comes out. Wow, that's interesting. That's very interesting. No wonder why some batteries just burst on others' face without any warning and give them pain. The face is sick and everything torn apart. I was damn scared looking at them, and now say we're trying to open it. I guess nothing is gonna happen now. We'll try to see what's inside. We'll show you in detail. We're breaking it open and we'll see what's inside. It looks so interesting. It looks like everything is just papers and plastics inside. Nothing else. How does this work? But it looks so damn cheap. Just look at that. What? Just a thin layer of metal on top. And all the inside is just plastics and papers. Nothing else. And the smell is horrible. It smells like poison. It smells like you're gonna die just now. But it's interesting, so we'll keep opening and finding out what's exactly inside. Okay. We're speeding up. That looks interesting. Just wait for some time. So you're beginning to see the plastics and everything. So it looks like some polythene bags sold in the market to put things and carry. Let's look at how long is that. And all the others, papers and plastics, just pressed together to make a battery. That's interesting. And it does work. Look at how long is that plastic piece. Looks like it's taken out from a shoe box or something. I don't know. Wow, just plastics. That's all, guys. I think you found this video interesting. Subscribe.